Have you ever wanted to build an AI agent? You typed into Google, and the classic example you see is, hey, here's how to build a customer support agent. So in this example, in this slide board, we're going to go through what it's like to do this on Tanzu platform. So we've got our customer. Our customer is going to talk to this AI agent. The AI agent itself, we're going to build it in Spring. And because we're a bunch of Java developers, we know our business logic and we know how to do it in Java. Now, our company happens to have a customer profile API that we've written over the years. We have an order management system and we have an issue management system. Now, the problem we have to figure out is, okay, the customer shows up at the agent and says, I have an issue with my order. First, I need to know who the customer is. So I need to get access to the customer profile API. Then I need to know what order is this customer having a problem with. So we need to access the order management system. And thirdly, maybe some other customer has had this issue and we can actually take the search our issue management system to see if there's a known solution to this problem. And so the problem that we have is, how do we bring the data that's locked up behind these different APIs to our AI agent? And this is where the Tanzu platform's AI services come in. So what we're going to say is that this AI agent, step one, is going to kind of go like this. It's going to call this AI service. And from there, this is going to manage connectivity for us to whatever AI model we happen to be using. So that takes care of AI model access. But in order to access our customer profile service, what we're going to do is we're going to leverage an industry standard called Model Context Protocol, or MCP. So we're going to build an MCP server. And this MCP server is going to be for the customer profile. And this MCP server we can build with Spring because it's really easy to do. And so what's going to happen is now we can basically kind of go through the AI service to our MCP server. We can also enable direct communication with it. But it's not just one MCP server we need to build. We also need to build the order management service. So we'll say the order MCP. And that's going to go down here. But then we have this issue management system. We didn't write the code for this. So maybe our vendor is going to have a COTS. The COTS vendor has built an MCP server. So what we're going to do is we're not going to write that one from scratch. We're going to deploy it. So we're just going to say the COTS issue MCP server. And that is going to take care of going here. And effectively, what we get from this is the following. We have, this is just an application running on the platform. So this is just an app. And this application is able to use the Tanzu AI service to access all of the different data sources that it needs. And the access to these data sources is modular because we're going through industry standard MCP servers, which are, you can think of them as connectors to these various things. You can either write the code yourself. So this is, custom code. So in this case, these two are custom code that you write with Spring AI. And then these things here are things that you purchase, and you're able to use that. Tanzu platform makes it easy for us to develop, operate, and optimize AI agents. We do it first by making it possible for you to write the code for the AI agent in your favorite programming language, including Java and Spring AI. We then make it possible for you to build connectors using MCP servers that access your existing APIs, or take third-party MCP servers that others have built and then deploy them into the Tanzu platform. The coordination between the AI agent, the MCP servers, and the AI models is all helped through the Tanzu AI service. That makes it possible for your developers to self-serve, iterate rapidly, and rapid iteration is the key to unlocking AI ROI.